name's Kaleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number TPU5022. This is your 4-inch oval LED amber flashing strobe light with the rubber grommet and the 3-prong pigtail. This does a couple different functions, and I'm going to show you real quick. It's pretty cool, so let's check it out. Alright, so this light, it's a flashing strobe light, 3-prong setup. It's a plug and play, simple rubber grommet. What's cool about this light is it has two different functions. It does your flashing strobe like that if you have the red wire hooked up. The white wire is ground, and then if you have the black wire, it's going to do this cool function right here. So you can set it up however you want. You can make it where your turn signals will do this function right here, or vice versa. Make it where it's going like that, or going flashing down the road like this, or like this if you want. Either way, but it's plug and play. Pretty awesome setup. You'll definitely get attention to let everybody know you're there. So these are really cool. Simply plug and play, no extra devices or anything required. So really awesome, super bright, will definitely get attention. And this is part number TPU5022. And if you'd like a set of these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.